Today, I begin a new life, for I'm the master of my abilities. And today, it's going to be a great, beautiful day. What's good, YouTube? Alright, so look, if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on your post notifications so you know when I'm dropping new videos. Filming this video was difficult for me because the way his hairline is, like, you literally have to stand in front of him to be able to get his hairline straight. So as you can see in the thumbnail, like, his hairline is all out of whack, and I literally have to create hairline for him. And I've been cutting his hair for a minute now, so I pretty much know what to do. But in this situation, I literally had to be in front of him to be able to get his hairline straight. I wasn't able to record his hairline the way I wanted to because, like, I was going to be in the way of the camera, and it was pointless just to record me lining them up and y'all not being able to see them. So I just said forget it. So with any waiver, you always want to comb the hair out before you start cutting, and that's because you want to lift all the hairs off the head. So when you start cutting the hair, you won't snag the hair or you won't patch the hair, because if you don't, like, you're going to end up patching and snagging somebody's hair, especially if they're a waiver. And I forgot to mention, I have the 1.5 guard fully closed to knock the hair down with. So right here, I'm starting my first guideline with the lever closed. Like with any other haircut that I do, depending the hair texture that I'm cutting, 9 times out of 10, I'ma always start with the lever closed. Sometimes I'ma start my first guideline off with my trimmers, but 9 times out of 10, like I said, I'm gonna start my first guideline off the lever closed. And I'm doing a mid drop fade. You can see my starting point is like close to the corner of his eye. When doing a drop fade, you always want to make sure you do like a dramatic drop. When doing any kind of drop fade, like, you want your line to be low so you can have that low fade look instead of it looking like your typical ball fade. Now right here, my next guideline is with the lever all the way open. All of my guidelines is going to be at least 1 inch. If this is your first time watching my video, I appreciate you for tuning in. Even if you're not subscribed, like, I really appreciate you for watching this video still. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. So if you rock with me in my content thus far, I really appreciate you. Right here, I'm gonna just lever play. I'm gonna use the lever open, halfway closed, until I fully blend that bottom line out. Let me know in the comments if I should show both sides to the cut or just show one side. It's gonna be the same thing. I have the lever open with the number 1 guard on, and I'm gonna go up 1 inch. And after that, I'm gonna close the lever with that same number 1 guard on and further blend that line out. I want to kick game to the people that's new to barbering. When blending these lines and when setting these guidelines, do not be scared to set the guideline in, and you don't need to push all extra hard to get the guideline in, because the clipper is going to do what it needs to do. So whenever you blend in, always make sure you have a soft touch, a soft stroke, you know, like your girl said. And the clipper's gonna do all the work for you. The line's gonna come out, so you don't have to push all extra hard on somebody's head to try to get a line out or to set a ball guideline in, because all you're gonna do is irritate their scalp and their head will be sore. Pause. Speaking of pause, what y'all think of these allegations with Diddy? Me personally, I think he did it. Diddy look like the type of dude that'll make you scrub your tongue in front of him and watch you gag on your toothbrush and watch tears coming out your eyes. Bro gonna be like, oh yeah, I like that, daddy, keep scrubbing. Nah, I'm trolling. Bro, on this day, for some odd reason, my camera was not recording certain clips. Like, it didn't record me knocking out that bottom line. All I pretty much did was took the guard off, opened the lever, and just flicked at the bottom line after using the 1 guard close. And again, the same thing. I got my 1.5 guard on, never open. I went up an inch because I used the 1.5 guard closed to go with the grain. Now I'm using the 1.5 guard open to go against the grain to blend the hair in. And as you can see, the hair is blending in real nice. And right here, all I did was close it, and it's going to tie everything together. Now, if you like me and you really like to detail your cuts, what you can do is what they call cleanup work. So after you get done with your fade, you just look at certain parts of the head, like any dark spots or any spots that look like it's not blended, and you just blend those lines out. And all I did right here was clean the skin with some alcohol to prep for the lineup.
Bruh.
This is what I was talking about with his hairline. As you can see, the right side of his hairline is higher than the left side, so it was hard for me to line his hair up, knowing that I literally have to be right in front of him to be able to get his hairline straight. But for the sake of the video, I want to try to see the process, and y'all go see like his hairline gonna be slanted a little bit, and that's only because like I tried to prevent from being in the frame. See, even right here, like it was tough for me to even do this because I couldn't really see because of the angle I had to be in for y'all to see the process. So that's why I had to line him up off camera to be able to get his hairline straight. If you ever see a barber pointing out the corner of the head, that means we're trying to make sure them points is even. If you know, you know. This is another part where my camera did not record. So of course it added a little bit of enhancements. Everybody using enhancements nowadays. We ain't go fronting. If you fronting, then I don't know. But I added a little bit of enhancements to make the hairline pop. Some people like it, some people don't. This how Buddy came in. And this is how Buddy leaving. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you know when I'm dropping videos. See y'all in the next video. Peace.